I want to say, Kickback Nation right here, the friends and family, they're all good people, they're all wonderful people. Y'all need to come up here, hang out with these guys right here. These guys are gonna make your night. If you don't know them, come get to know them. If you're feeling friendly, buy them a drink, they'll probably buy you one too. That's just how we roll. Bang, 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 bang. Woman's got a pistol and she's mad as hell. Yeah, she's got a story she would die to tell. Well, she's got a secret she don't wanna keep. And she's got this pain that flows real deep. Well, she's got a pistol, mad as hell. She's got a story she would die to tell. She's got a secret, feel that pain. She's gonna make it feel that pain. With a pistol bang. Bang, 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 bang. She got into a car and she drove it into town. She spotted us no time, it would be in a drama. She said there's no way you can hurt me now. She pulled out that pistol, next thing you know it was on the ground. She's got a pistol, that is her.